Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering tools and the correct Dexron equivalent fluid. This saves time and prevents contamination. Warm the car 5 to 10 minutes so the fluid flows and picks up debris. This makes draining more complete. Next, jack and support the vehicle securely, safety first. Then break the pan bolts loose in a cross pattern, leaving a few threads to control the initial spill, because a slow approach prevents fluid from dumping and lets you guide the pan down safely. Once the pan is out, lower it slowly into your drain pan and observe the fluid. Dark or burnt-smelling fluid signals a problem, while metallic flakes on the magnet indicate internal wear. Remove the old filter. This restores flow and filtration. Then clean the pan and magnet thoroughly. Any remaining metal particles need to be removed. Install the new filter and a fresh gasket, and tighten the pan bolts in a cross pattern to the specified torque, because even torque prevents leaks and warped pans. You now refill the transmission through the dipstick tube, adding the manufacturer-specified fluid. Start with the baseline volume and you can add as needed. Warm the car to operating temperature, cycle through gears with the brake applied, and then recheck the level. Transmission fluid expands, so checking hot ensures accuracy. Make sure there are no leaks around the pan. If you notice slipping, harsh shifts, or a leak, check fluid level first. If problems persist, drain to correct level or seek a professional diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.